The first step, add water to the piston. The water level is level with the piston cylinder and add 1 厘米 hot oil to lubricate the piston rod. 2. The second step, turn on the main power. The third step, open the power box and close the circuit breaker. Close the radiator circuit breaker after 10 minutes. Step 4. The key turns on the engine. Step 5. Pull out the hopper safety pin. Press the down button to start the hopper down. The sixth step, press the up button to start the hopper to lift. Step 7. Press the mixing button and the mixer starts to working. After the aggregate is mixed, press the button again to stop the rotation. Step 8. Press the discharging button and the drum starts to rotate and discharge, then press the pump button. The ninth step, before the next round of pumping starts, press the reverse pump to accelerate the fluidity of the concrete to prevent the pipe from being blocked. The 10th step, the engine speed control knob accelerates to the right and decelerates to the 11th step, the concrete conveying pendulum cylinder a bead switching knob. The 12th step, the concrete conveying cylinder jog button. Step 13, engine shutdown button. The 15th step, remote control use. Press the remote control knob on the power box to the remote control position. The remote control indicator lights up. Press the power switch on the remote control handle. The indicator light lights up and the remote control can be used.